In the late Ayutthaya era, before a kingdom fell, one village chose to stand. Seka's Bang Rachan, the legend of ordinary people who became a wall. Farmers, blacksmiths, monks, not soldiers. Yet news of invading forces spread like dry season fire. The road to the capital ran past their homes. Columns of enemy troops marched south. Armor flashed, drums thundered. If the road stayed open, the capital would be strangled. In Bang Rachan, leaders rose from the fields. They swore, if no army comes to guard this road, then we are the army. They forged blades from farm tools, carved spears from bamboo, and stitched courage into every shield. The temple became their armory, and their heart. The first enemy detachment arrived, expecting fear. Instead, they met a wall of villagers. The road choked. The capital breathed. Days stretched into weeks. Between battles they shared rice, repaired shields, and prayed. Hope is a stubborn thing. The enemy returned with greater numbers and cannons. The ground trembled. Bang Rachan answered again, fewer each time, stronger in spirit. On the final day they knew the wall would break. Still, they stood, so their families could flee, so the capital had one more day. One more breath. The village fell. Legends say their resistance bought time and courage for a nation on the edge. Not victory, but meaning. Bang Rachan teaches this: when no shield remains, people become the shield. Unity can turn a village into a story that outlives empires. If you felt their courage, share this story. Subscribe for the next legend from Thailand. See you in the next tale.